Now, during 1897, J.J. Thomson came up with the plum pudding model. He performed a series of experiments which showed that atoms cannot be solid spheres, as Dalton said. Instead, they must have contained negatively charged particles, which are now known as electrons. So using this new evidence, he proposed that an atom is a general ball of positive charge with discrete electrons inside of it. Few years later, during 1909, a scientist called Ernest Rutherford and his students made another major discovery. They took positively charged alpha particles and fired them at a thin sheet of gold. The idea was that if the positive charge in the gold atoms was generally spread out as J.J. Thomson has proposed with his plum pudding model, then the alpha particles should pass through the sheet of gold, because the weak positive charge is not strong enough to affect them. What actually happened is that some of the alpha particles were deflected to the side, and only a small number was deflected back, proving that J.J. theory is wrong. Therefore, Rutherford suggested his nuclear model, which proposed that instead of a general field of positive charge, there was a compact nucleus which contains all the positive charges of the atom. He thought that the negative charge must exist in a cloud around the nucleus.